Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller when some buttons are not working. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So I have my PlayStation 5 controller here, and I have it turned on. So make sure there's a light on the light bar here, and flip over the controller. And then you're going to find a small pinhole right here. Locate that, and then use a toothpick, and then press down the reset button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. So let's hold this down, and it should disconnect my controller from my PlayStation 5 now. So that's about 5 to 10 seconds, and I can see my DualSense wireless controller is now disconnected on my screen. And my PlayStation 5 controller is turned off. Now let's go ahead and turn this back on and see if it reconnects, and test out the buttons. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also try simply disconnecting the controller completely. So let's go over to my PlayStation 5, and then go to the home screen here, and go up to Settings. So let's choose Settings now, and go down to where it says Accessories. Select this, then go over to Bluetooth Accessories, and locate your currently connected controller. So I can see Temple Slice is connected to this controller right here. I'm going to select X on this, and then I'm going to go to Delete under here, and then go to OK. So this is going to disconnect it from the Bluetooth. Now we want to go ahead and reconnect our controller. Now if you have another controller laying around, go ahead and turn on that second controller, and you can connect it wirelessly. Then you want to go ahead and put your first controller here into the wireless sync mode by pressing the share button and the power button down at the same time, and it should display under this screen now. And here it is at the bottom. Then go ahead and select it, and it will be reconnected and registered to my PlayStation 5. Now, you can also try connecting it with a USB cable, which will probably be the easiest option if you do not have a second controller. So simply connect this to the front of the PlayStation 5, and then connect the other end to your PlayStation. And make sure you have a solid connection and the center light here is solid. This is an indication you're connected to your PlayStation. Now you may be turning on your controller, but it's not actually connected or registered to your PlayStation 5. This is why it seems like none of the buttons actually do work. And sometimes on my controller, I'll just do some weird things when I'm aiming, not necessarily stick drift, but some sort of software issue, it seems like, on the controller. But you can fix this by simply turning off the controller by holding down the PlayStation button in the center of the controller. And hold this down for about 10 seconds, and the controller will completely turn off. And then just simply reconnect it. So it should turn off right now. And it is now off. I don't see any light on the light bar, and then simply turn it back on. And by some random chance, you may have actually turned on custom button assignments in the menus for your game or for the PlayStation settings. Then we can do this on the PlayStation 5 as well by going to Settings, going down to Accessibilities right here and selecting it. Then go on down to Controllers and go to the right. Go to Custom Button Assignments for DualSense wireless controller. And just make sure this is disabled. You might have a button changed or remapped under this section as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If you did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.